Today we're going under the sea to learn colors. And guess what? Zara is here to help us. Say hi, Zara. Look over there. Do you see that crab? Zara, can you show us the color? That's right. The crab is red. Can you say red with us? Ready? 1, 2, 3, red. Wow, a fish. What color is this one? Yes, the fish is blue, like the ocean water. Everyone say it together. Blue. Look at that starfish. It's shining bright. Perfect. The starfish is yellow, like the sunshine. Can you say yellow? Great job. Here comes a sea turtle. Zara, what color is the turtle's shell? That's right, it's green, like seaweed. Everyone say green? Oh, wow, a clownfish. Zara, can you show us the color? Yes, it's orange, just like a juicy orange fruit. Can you say orange? Awesome. Whoa, look at that octopus. What color is it? That's right, it's purple, like grapes. Say it with me, purple. Let's remember what we saw today. The crab was red, the fish was blue, the starfish was yellow, the turtle was green, the clownfish was orange, and the octopus was purple. Great job, friends! You did amazing today. Thanks for diving under the sea with us to learn colors. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. Say bye, Zara. Bye.